So that brings us to the second major release, which is new survey customization. This has been a long-standing request. We're happy to honor that. For those of you who have been using the Speak platform for a long time, you also would have known this as the embeddable recorder. And so we've interchangeably used these terms, but the idea is you can create this audio video survey. You can capture audio and video from like anywhere in the world. You can just share that as a link, or you can embed that on one of your pages across the web. And basically people can record, they can submit. So people are using this for customer feedback. They're using it for qualitative research, using it for speech data collection, interaction with students. One of the advantages of this is that you can basically share this with anyone, but structure the data capture. So quickly, we'll just go through a survey creation just in case you haven't gone through this process before. Audio, video survey. I'm mapping this to a field, meaning every time I get a recording, I want to push this to a folder. So in this case, we'll push it to focus groups. I'm saying, hey, what do I want people to be able to record? In this case, I want them to be able to do audio and video. You can get people to do screen recordings if you'd like. And then you can say, hey, I want them to be able to upload files as well. So maybe the use case there, they've got a file that they've already recorded on their mobile device or even on their laptop. And you want them to upload it through the survey, but still keep the structure of the survey and auto flow it to do your transcription and your analysis and everything there. In this case, I'll turn it off. And a couple new abilities in the survey, you can turn on live transcription so that when the person is recording, they can see what they're saying in real time. You can set a base language. And just a tip for you, there's also an automatic setting, so it will automatically detect the language and then transcribe and analyze for you. We'll keep it on English here. You have the checkbox, transcribe and analyze. If that's turned on, it will auto transcribe and analyze the file for you. And then you can set the duration, a minimum 10 seconds. So you say, hey, you've got to record 10 seconds to submit, or up to, in this case, 3 hours. And no other audio video survey system or embeddable recorder has the capability to record at that length like we do. So a huge differentiator in the platform. Just one other note, you can notify yourself. And you can also send a confirmation email to people who have submitted if you're collecting their email. So you have full control over what people submit. I think I'll share just one piece, and this will speak to some of the customization that we've done. I can create a question and I can say, hey, what is your salary? I can do then a single line or different answer type where I give a drop down or checkbox of what option that they have. So I could add this and I can then map it to a field for some really great structured data collection and analysis. And there's some video tutorials on that. But for now, I'll keep the base questions. I'll jump through. You've got branding capabilities right there, the logo, the color. We can host directly on your web domain if you'd like that. And then we have two options here, one which is a survey link and then one which is a custom branded page. So if you have maybe a website or even apps people are embedding in, you can take this, you can copy it and embed, and it will be a great responsive embed of this audio video survey, and anyone can then interact with it. If you want to use our landing page that we're generating for you, you can see it here. This is something like what people would see. You can put your logo in here, you can modify the colors. And now I can go and hit record. Put my name. There's my email if you ever want to send me an email, and I can hit next. Now I'm recording right now. I've set a 15-second duration on this recording. It's going to go through, it's going to run, and then it's going to submit, and you can see the experience end to end, which is fantastic. Now I've completed my 15 seconds. I can hit stop. I can upload. This will take a second to upload, and if I want, I can record again. So what's taken place? I've got my responses in here. This will be transcribing. It was a short response, so you can see that it's already back, and there's going to be some analysis done if there's any keywords